Hi, I'm Uta Opitz, General Manager for the US, and you're watching Seibert Media.
Hi, Steffen.
Hi, Martin.
We're here to talk about your company and your usage of Draw.io and Confluence. Your company is called Utoolity. Can you explain and tell us a little about what your company does?
Yes, sure. We are the marketplace vendor, and we are basically focusing on AWS integrations with Atlassian at the moment. So we try to develop products that make it possible to integrate with Amazon Web Services from Atlassian.
What I understand is if I have Bamboo as an integration server, you'll help me to automatically create instances and improve my testing with Bamboo.
That's right. Amazon offers various services to support this, and for example, CloudFormation is one where you can orchestrate a whole lot of resources around this. You can also just start single EC2 instances, of course. Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service offering from Amazon, and all these can be driven from Bamboo with the help of our add-on, which offers the respective tasks.
Do I imagine now that a test runs and this test says to your plugin, please give me an instance with this and that, and then you'll deploy that, or can you?
That's right. A typical workflow would be, for example, that you could develop you have an application, for example, let's say a classical Java application, and then your Maven build generates a WAR file, and then you can deploy it to Elastic Beanstalk, for example. You can just say, take this WAR file and start me a server which serves this instantly. And you can combine this with this awesome feature from Bamboo. It's called a branch, blend branching. So if you just commit a pull request, and then you get an instance that instantly is available for your testers to use.
Yeah, okay. And this could, in a special case, only live for 5 minutes for the test, and then go down again.
Right. You can.
So I can save a lot of Amazon costs also.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's really just on demand, and you're completely in control whether you want to have it on it for longer. You can also drive your production infrastructure. In fact, that's possible, so that you merge your development stuff on your master branch at some point and get automatically deployed, get your production instance updated if you want to. It's definitely possible.
Sounds cool. And you're using Confluence in your company, correct?
Yes, that's right. We are obviously mainly on Jira for our development workflow, but Confluence is always a great add-on to document stuff.
Okay, and how does Draw.io come into play in your daily business, in your routine?
Well, it's a great diagramming tool, and so as soon as I need to have a diagram for something, and I resort to Draw.io, for example, to sketch out some service provisioning scenario. Amazon has lots of great stencils that do streets of service, and Draw.io has these stencils available for use, so it's very easy and convenient to just pull the stuff, and you can recognize immediately this is an EC2 instance, this is an S3 bucket, and we can just model what we use also in the tool.
Okay, so it mimics your Amazon world already. How do you? I assume you're not the guys who use proprietary files like Visio or
no.
Like.
We have done so in the past, but really it's not in the workflow. So we are quite happy that we have it integrated now in Confluence.
So let's talk about something within Confluence, which is obviously Glyphy, which could be an alternative for you. Why are you still using Draw.io?
Well, actually, we are also a Glyphy license holder, and we always enjoy the product. It's a great product, and it somehow Draw.io just clicked for me when it came out. It convinced me immediately by its flexibility and very huge feature set, and it was extremely snappy. Probably because it was based on JavaScript and HTML5 stuff these days, and so it just felt right.
Yeah. Okay. in the German version of this video, you talk a little about extensibility and the plugin architecture of Draw.io. Can you share your thoughts on that part here again?
Yeah, sure. I haven't tried that myself, but I've taken note that Draw is really extensible, so you can actually not only add stuff like stencils, which probably all diagramming tools offer to customize it, but you can also customize the product with, say, a new layout algorithm if you have special needs, or integrate with external tools to fetch in new structures and get it as a diagram immediately, which sounds pretty cool.
Awesome. If I am a plain Confluence user today, and I'm thinking about, do I need this Draw.io diagramming plugin? What is the reason why I should look at it?
I think you should definitely look at it in terms of feature richness. It's very professional and it feels rounded to me. It's extremely snappy, and I personally find my way around a lot, even though the feature set is so rich. Of course, I'm a little comparatively IT savvy, but still, I think it's easy to discover for users what the product has to offer. So it's worth a look.
Awesome. I'm pretty excited to find out what Utoolity does in terms of visualization and programming against the Draw.io API. If that is the case and you have anything to share, please remember to nudge me.
Happy to do so. We would like to try that, actually.
Okay, cool. Bye.
Thanks a lot.